Good morning, all of you. Yesterday also market extended its loss for the third straight day, and indices closed about 1.5% down. And the sentiment diamond after the budget presented on 16th, and still not able to recover from the weak sentiments. Yesterday most of the heavyweights were reacting, and it was led by the ADAG group, and Reliance also fell by 2%, and other heavyweights like LNT, BHEL, IDFC all fell about 3 to 4% in yesterday's trade. In the afternoon session, even the European markets were trading in the negative side, so we did not get any boost or positive indication from the global side also. So that further dampened the sentiment of our domestic market. But looking at the global market, I mean the US market especially, the US markets are still in a positive zone. They have rallied almost 18% since the beginning of this year, and yesterday too it faded towards the closing, but overall it entered slightly in the positive side. The stock Apple, that was the share leading in the US market yesterday. It since the beginning of this year, it went up by 45%, and this was leading the rally in US stocks. So back home, we do not have any fresh triggers at the moment. So we are likely to take some clues from the global market to determine the trend in the coming days. So technically, the Nifty finds support around 5,170. That's a 200 DMA, and also the recent bottom is around that level. So it is likely to be a good support for the market for the time being. And the upside 5,300 acts as a resistance in Nifty. So the upside in today's trade might be capped at around 5,300 to 5,320 levels. Even the Asian markets are trading slightly in the negative zone. Among individual stocks, KFA could be in focus as they plan to cancel many of the flights, so that share could face some selling pressure today. Even the Reliance is worried about the KG-D6 base in production. The production hit the lowest level recently, so the share also could be under some selling pressure. Then Hindustan Motors will be another share which can be in focus. That the promoters have increased their stakeholding in the company by about 7%. So there could be some action in Hindustan Motors also. And as I said before, we have to see the individual, the individual global markets especially. So that will be giving some indications or some positive momentum to our domestic market also. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.